Gert Hofstede began studying cultural values decades ago. His research was then confirmed or supported by a large study of more than 800 organizations in 62 countries, the Globe Studies. Together, Hofstede's model and the Globe research have shed some light on how national cultures are similar and different. Power distance is the degree to which people in a country accept that power in institutions and organizations is distributed unequally. High power distance means high acceptance of these differences. Low power distance means low acceptance of these differences. Individualism versus collectivism. Individualism is the degree to which people in a country prefer to act as individuals rather than as members of groups. The United States tends to score extremely high on the individualism scale. People in collectivistic cultures, however, prefer to act as a group and look after the people around them. Masculinity versus femininity. Masculinity is the degree to which people in a culture prefer traditional masculine values, such as achievement, power, and control. More feminine cultures tend to view men and women as equals. High uncertainty avoidance means people in a country prefer structured situations. Low uncertainty avoidance means people can tolerate ambiguous, unstructured situations. Finally, the long-term versus short-term orientation. A culture with a long-term orientation values the future, thriftiness, and persistence. Cultures with a short-term orientation value the here and now. One of the advantages of Hofstede's model is that we can interact with it online. Take a few minutes to compare different countries across these 5 dimensions. And actually, there's a 6th one that has been added. As interesting as this model is, we have to be careful about how we apply it. We cannot assume, for example, that any one person from a country in the database holds the values of their culture. Managers still need to get to know each one of their employees.